Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to solve a problem that many of us face, how to tie a tie, whether it's for a job interview, a wedding or any formal occasion. Knowing how to tie a tie is essential. Firstly, let's start with the basics. Wrap the tie around your neck with the wide end on your dominated side and the narrow end on your non-dominated side. The wide end should be longer than the narrow end. Next, cross the wide end over the narrow end and bring it up and over the loop around your neck. Then bring the wide end down and behind the narrow end. Now take the wide end and bring it up and over the loop again, but this time bring it down through the loop in front of your neck. Finally, adjust the knot by holding onto both ends of the tie and pulling it up toward your collar. Adjust until you achieve your desired tightness and length. So guys, remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice trying a tie, the easier it will become, and once you have mastered this skill, you will be able to confidently rock a tie at any occasion. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.